Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free IP changer for your iOS device. Let's start. First, open App Store. Then search Warp VPN. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. Warp VPN is a free app that makes your internet more private. In this step, tap on Next. After that, choose Accept. Finally, select Install VPN Profile. Select Allow. If you want to get notification from this application, choose Allow Notifications. Otherwise, select Not Now. Select OK. Finally, tap on Connect. As you can see, in only 1 second, we connect to VPN. And now, no one should be able to snoop on what we do on the internet. If you want to disconnect from VPN, select Disconnect here. Then choose how long would you like to disable. For example, let me choose pause for 1 hour. There are many ways to change your IP address, but this is the best way. By Warp VPN, we change our IP address in only 1 second. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you soon in the next video.